Welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can edit or update an existing calculated field in your data source in Looker or Data Studio. So most often what happens is that when you are creating your dashboard, you have a set of requirements and you are following those requirements to create your dashboard. But as soon as you started creating your dashboard, there will be some kind of change in your requirement and you have to update your dashboard based on those requirements. And while you are updating the dashboard or changing your dashboard based on the new requirements, you have to make sure that your dashboard doesn't get bulkier based on the calculated fields that you have used or based on the multiple matrices that you have created. So most often, based on our requirement, we create the calculated field, and you can recognize your calculated field in your data source over here. It will be highlighted in blue colors, right? And suppose I have total items sold over here, in which I have used the sum function, and I have a variance function used in this variance of items sold when I was creating these calculated field in my previous videos. Now what I need to do is that instead of items sold, I need to check the variance of the unit price, and this is the new requirement. So the first requirement was to get the variance of items sold, but instead of items sold, you need to change it to variance of unit price. So there are two things that you can do over here, is that you can keep this field as it is, hoping that this field will be useful in future, or what you can do is that you can edit this field based on the new requirement. And to edit or update this field, what you can do is that you can come over here in your data and you have to click on this field. Once you click on this field, then what will happen is that Looker will allow you to see the formula that you have used within this calculated field, and you can update this formula from here. So instead of quantity sold, what I can do is that I can take the unit price. Okay, and as soon as I use this unit price, the Looker will evaluate this formula, and then it will show that formula syntax is valid. Then you can update it. Once you click on update, then this calculated field will get saved. Okay, and you need to change this name also, variance of unit price, and then you need to click on update. And once you click on update, then you can click on finish, and you will see that this field, which was earlier variance of sold item, is now variance of unit price. So this is how basically you can update an existing calculated field in Looker or Data Studio. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.